was passing me earlier, I saw you changing gowns. You were in 2 weddings in one night, weren't you? It's a little upsetting, don't you think?
Well, they're both really, really good friends of mine, and their weddings have to be on the same night, so what was I supposed to do?
That's not the upsetting part. How do you stand it? I mean, isn't one wedding bad enough?
I love weddings, I always have.
Really?
Yeah.
Which part? The forced merriment?
You finished it already? No, another one.
Actually, it's meeting happy people like yourself.
Not as patient. Not being slow in your mind.
What is it?
I'm a writer.
Go on then, take it. Take yours, Cube.
I got it.
No, I got it.
That's it, sit down.
Alright, Ziggy. 140, you know what you did. Hey, what's... No, he's gonna be right back. Hold on.
Don't you think it's a whole lot of ritual for something that, let's face it, it's got about a 50-50 shot of making it out of the gates?
Well, very refreshing. A man who doesn't believe in marriage.
I'm just trying to point out the hypocrisy of the spectacle.
Oh, that's so noble of you. Do you also go around telling small children that Santa
Marley
Claus
likes his ice
Well,
cubes.
that I don't know.
So you admit that believing in marriage is kind of like believing in Santa Claus?
Cooling his teethers down.
I don't know why I'm arguing this with a perfect stranger. Yes, marriage, like everything good and important, isn't easy. Cynicism, on the other hand, always is. It was very interesting to me.
Bye.
Yeah.
And that bit.
You gonna be in more weddings next weekend?
That bit.
Go.
How many you been in, by the way? Just like ballpark.
Good night.
And that bit. You finished. Oh. Molly. Molly. Ice cubes make Molly go crazy. Molly. Devil dog. Now he's going to destroy his pillow. Get off! Get off!
Peter get your walk off at night. Is it? No, I work Saturday nights, remember? Here, in the hacking club. Oh, that's right. You were, eating coconut cake and slide. So how'd it go? Oh, let's see. The bride wore a gown that sparkled like the groom's eyes as he saw her approaching to a shower of rose petals. And you're not getting laid? This is the gold standard of wedding announcements. Every girl on the planet rips open that page first thing Sunday. Brides kill to get in there. Do you have any idea what you could be doing?
And now he's gonna
We're
hump.
about to get married.
Oh!
I'll call you.
Molly, get off!
You can't beat that.
Well, it's not gonna matter much longer
Mommy's
anyway.
tea.